Typekit is a font subscription service for both web and desktop fonts. You can use fonts from Typekit to create websites, digital magazines, t-shirts, books, posters, brochures, and more. Since I'm logged into Creative Cloud, I can access the Typekit service as I work within apps such as Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator, After Effects, and Premiere Pro. For example, since I'm already in Photoshop, I can select Add Fonts from Typekit from the font listing. For now though, I want to show another way to sync fonts from Typekit. I'm going to go to my Creative Cloud desktop app and click Fonts from the Assets tab. From here, I see a list of fonts that I've already synced to my desktop. I actually want something different though, so I'm going to click Add Fonts from Typekit to see what else I can use. As a paid Creative Cloud member, I have access to a huge, continually updated library of fonts from Quality Foundries. If you're a free trial or photography plan member, you'll have a smaller set of available fonts, but there are still some great options. I'm working with my team on a campaign for a client that includes a website design and a layout for a digital magazine, so I want to search for fonts that are available for both web and desktop use. Typekit shows me a variety of font styles including slab serif, script, and decorative. The client wants a sans serif font, so I'll filter by that. I like Fira Sans, so I'm going to mouse over it and select Use Font. 4 of the 18 fonts for this typeface family are selected for me by default, but let me see which fonts I actually want to sync. I don't think I'll need either of the italic styles, so I'll uncheck those. I do want the medium and light styles though, so I'll mark those and click Sync Select Fonts. Creative Cloud notifies me when the fonts have synced to my desktop, which means I can start using them in my desktop apps. I'm going to go back into Photoshop where my web design mockup is mostly finished. I can filter the font list to show only the fonts from Typekit, and I see that Fira Sans is immediately available to use. Now I can apply the newly synced fonts to the design, which will give me a more accurate visual of what the website will look like when it's published live. And now my design is complete. Now that that's done, I'll switch over to InDesign and check on the layout for the digital magazine that one of my team members has designed. Since the Typekit service synced the fonts to my desktop, I can finish up this layout by applying the fonts to the magazine layout. This helps to provide the consistent look and feel our team wants to achieve for all of the assets in this campaign. I can use the fonts I synced from Typekit across a variety of desktop apps. For example, I may want to deliver a presentation to the client, so I can go into PowerPoint and apply the same fonts to this document as well. I have really enjoyed exploring all of the fonts available to me from Typekit and seeing how they can enhance the projects I'm working on. I encourage you to browse the fonts in the Typekit library and bring some typographic inspiration to your own projects.